Anyone else want another go?
Over this stuff. There's something wrong, Jenny, with my track now too. I don't know what happened then. No idea.
This is excellent!
Start again.
We tried again. It's just not working.
I think there's a bit of resistance there.
I think something's happening.
I think it's that water.
Get back more on the board, Zach.
Hold up.
It must have been beginner's luck that first go.
Turn the board around.
Let's get going.
This is great video. This is great. Keep it going. I'm going to come in for a zoom.
Oh dear. I think it's a bit wet now. Look, I've lost 3 layers of skin now.
Is that all?
Yeah.
But you still haven't gone down, yeah?
Oh, I don't know what it is, whether it's the extra water on the sand or...
Give somebody else a go, see if they can.
No.
Let's see how this goes. This one is just not working at the moment.
Jeez. Talk about abrasion.
Oh, it's not that bad.
It's us or if it's the track. I reckon it's the track, personally.
No, it's probably me.
Yeah, that's when you'll yell.
Stay there.
Yeah, that one, yeah. That one works. Are you waxed?
Yeah.
Okay, ready to go. Where are we going? Oh, no, not just here.